Exercise 1. Dumbbell kneeling waiter biceps curl. Performed on knees to eliminate momentum, this move isolates biceps deeply. Hold the dumbbell like a tray, keeping elbows tucked to maximize tension through each curl. Perfect for building peak and improving arm stability. Exercise 2. Easy barbell reverse grip curl. The reverse grip shifts emphasis to brachialis and forearms. This adds arm thickness and balance. Keep wrists straight, elbows tight, and control each rep to avoid swinging for maximum activation. Exercise 3. Dumbbell prone incline curl. Done face down on an incline bench, it reduces cheating and stretches the biceps fully. Focus on slow, strict reps to keep tension constant. Great for increasing peak contraction and isolating the biceps head. Exercise 4. Dumbbell alternate biceps curl. Alternating arms helps maintain form and focus on each bicep. Rotate wrists outward for full supination and better peak engagement. Keep torso still and elbows close to isolate muscle. Exercise 5. Weighted plate biceps curl. Holding a weight plate challenges grip and wrist stability while targeting biceps. The neutral grip activates forearms and brachialis as well, giving more balanced arm growth. Perform smooth, strict curls. Exercise 6. Dumbbell concentration curl. Performed seated, elbow braced on the thigh. This isolates and peaks the biceps. The controlled slow motion ensures constant tension. Perfect for finishing sets to maximize pump and definition.